boy D at the KFX. Today I'll be analyzing Euro Japanese yen. So most of the people had been asking me, yo bro, I already know how to trade forex, but I really find it difficult to analyze and predict the direction. So today I just decided to make this video to help those kind of people and those who still wanna learn how to analyze. So guys, I'm like can feel it's hot today, like, so I'm just chilling outside here and yeah, facing the chart. So at first I always encourage people to go to higher time frames. Like you can see now I'm in weekly time frame. So if you can see this kind of sun here, just click on it and make auto feed data to screen. That will help you to show all your charts. So in that case, you will see every move the market made. So firstly, you have to identify the key resistance and the key supports, so that you'll be able to see whereby the market is likely to return and whereby the market was weak and whereby the market was strong. So right now I can see a very strong support here. I can see a very strong and we can see another point whereby the market was returning mostly. And I already made a mistake, guys. I always encourage people to use a line chart because it shows the movements more clear than the candlesticks. So let me switch to the line chart. Yes, you can see now that the market is way better than how it was while it was a candlestick chart. So we can see we had another support which seemed to turn into resistance on some movements. In fact, it began all the way from here. So this is what I see on weekly. I'm going to tell you guys how to predict the chart. So let's fully analyze these charts. We have to show the trends. To you can see that we have an uptrend here. We have to show that too. So from here, guys, let's not worry about all the previous movements from since 1996. You know, like some traders use the past movements. They can analyze from whereby the market started, you know, guys. Yeah, anyway, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Okay, we can see that we have an uptrend right now here. We have an uptrend. So in that case, anytime the market comes to this trend line, it will definitely bounce back up. Yes, it seems like this is our strongest trend line that we have right now. So guys, as I was saying, we can see that the market is at our resistance. So in that case, we expect the market to sell all the way. Let me add we can expect the market to go all the way down there, because the market right now is at the resistance. Like you guys can see that the market is definitely at the resistance. So from this analysis we can expect it to go down. Why do we expect it to go down? Because on previous movements, guys, we saw that this level here, this was our strongest resistance, and this is whereby the market sold on this previous movement here. So in that case, we can expect the sellers or the bears to take over the bulls. So we'll expect this market to sell until it hits this trend line, because as you can see, guys, every time when the market hits this trend line, it definitely goes up, and it goes up, and once again here it hit this trend line, and it definitely went up to this level and went down again. After hitting this trend line, it definitely went up. So in that case, we'll expect the market to go back down. Yes sir. So after doing all this, you have to go down to smaller time frames, because you'll see that some trend lines are not aligned well on the on the points. What's happening now? Oh, I went to 1 year instead of daily. That's why. Yes sir. Now we are on daily time frame, guys. So as we can see that everything that we applied on weekly time frame is now active, even on on daily time frame, and that modifies and strengthens our analysis, because from that we gain confidence and see that definitely we analyzed correctly. So guys, even at this point we can see that we had this upper trend line from this smaller time frame. We are on daily time frame now. We can see that we had this trend line, and this trend line strengthens our analysis, because we can see that on previous movements. Let me show it. We can see that on previous movements the market went up, and after hitting this level here it went down and went up. After hitting this trend line, went down, and still after hitting this trend line, it's basically showing like a downwards movement. So in that case, we are gaining more confidence and another confirmations that definitely the market is going down. So guys, let's pass to 4-hour time frames, because I encourage people to use 4-hour time frame or 1-hour time frame for entries, because the smaller the time frame, the more the clearer the charts. That's what I tried to say. So in this case, we can see that definitely the market is still going according to our analysis, guys. What's wrong with these charts? Okay, yes guys, you can see that definitely this trend line that we drawn here is is really strong, because you can see that the market is showing what, a downward movement after hitting that trend line. So this is how we predict the direction of the market. At first, you identify whether the market is at our resistance or support, either key resistance or key support on a horizontal line. Like, when the market is consolidating, guys, it's basically moving it's moving on a horizontal way. So we can have resistance and support by the form of trend lines, either on upward movement or downward movement. So these things are what I mean. Like, also, I'm sitting under the shade of these trees, so the flies and everything about me. That's not the case. So after doing this analysis, um guys, you can turn back to the candlesticks. This is whereby you want another confirmation, guys, because we can have candlesticks showing a reversal. So if you are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, like and share, and don't forget to click that notification bell, because we're definitely going to analyze even more charts. So guys, I don't know if you'll see these candlesticks, but let me show them. See that we have a hanging man here. I don't know if you guys can see that more clearer, and we can see that we have even a star on this one, and star here. In fact, here, what's happening to this phone? I knew it. The system is not responding. Okay. Okay, guys. Let's continue. As I was saying, we have a hanging man here, and we have even a star here. So we know those candlesticks represent a downwards movement or a bearish market. So in this case, we have so many confirmations that really the market is going down, guys. So guys, we can see that the market is definitely going down. Like, it's showing a downwards movement. Let me show it with this trends line. I bet there's something wrong with this phone. I wish I used a PC, because this is not what I expected. But then let's continue, guys. Now we have how many confirmations that the market is going down? We have a confirmation of a resistance on weekly or daily time frame. On weekly time frame, we can see that we have our resistance here being this blue line, and second confirmation is this trend line that we draw here. Foko. And second confirmation is this trend line that we have here, and the third confirmation is candlestick pattern, guys. We have these candlesticks here, so that's our third confirmation. So In that case, you'll be confident even when entering trades, knowing that definitely the market is going according to my is gonna go according to my analysis. Hey, this English thing. Well, I took some trades in the morning. Let's see how a day of this same code I'm still analyzing. You can see that my trades are really on the resistance right now, and we are expecting the market to go all the way down. So if you reach this far, I really appreciate that. Thank you very much. Please hit that subscribe button and like the video. Hit that notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I drop another video, because we are going to analyze so many. I can assure you that um, after analyzing those codes, guys, you'll be mastering analysis and how to predict the direction of the market. So with that being said, I'm ending this video right here, guys. Let's meet again on the next video. Thank you.